channel. Most of us are fond of fish. When cooked with coriander and coconut, the taste of the fish just gets enhanced. Commonly cooked in Mangalorean household, this dish goes best with rice. So let's get started. For this dish, we need 2 cups of coriander leaves, 1 cup of scraped coconut, 2 tablespoons of jeera seeds, 1 diced onion, 1 bulb of tamarind, 2 to 3 green chillies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half tomato for grinding, another half with some curry leaves for seasoning, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil or any other oil you prefer, 1 sliced pomfret or any other fish, salt to taste. In a mixer grinder, add the green coriander leaves, the coconut, tamarind, jeera, diced onions, ginger garlic paste. You can use also fresh ginger and fresh garlic, green chilies, tomato, salt, and little water. Grind this to a smooth, thick paste. See, the consistency of your paste should be quite thick and smooth. In a wok or a kadi, add oil and let it get hot. Add the curry leaves. Fry the curry leaves for around half to 1 minute. Add other half of the tomato. Sauté it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the paste at this stage. Mix well. Add little water and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and let it come to a boil. Once the gravy starts simmering, start adding the fish gently into the gravy. Add half a cup of water to the gravy. And let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can serve this dish with plain rice. Enjoy cooking and subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao!